Good evening, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Palestinians in Gaza use eSIMs for connectivity despite destruction. ITV report highlights generative AI's potential impact on India's GDP. Microsoft unveils Phi 2, a smaller language model with 2.7 billion parameters. Runway ML introduces Motion Brush, AI tool for object to animation transformation and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Egyptian activists led by Myrna El-Halbawi initiate #Connecting Gaza Twitter campaign. Over 50,000 Palestinians in Gaza connected via donated eSIMs. eSIMs provide wireless connectivity, overcoming infrastructure damage caused by Israeli airstrikes. Myrna Al-Halbawi addresses major communication issues post-war, ensuring internet access. eSIMs, software versions of physical SIM cards, enable virtual sharing via QR codes. Donors purchases eSIMs connecting Gaza residents to remote networks and overcoming network collapse. Next we have ITV reports suggest generative AI, Gen AI, could contribute $1.2 to $1.5 trillion to India's GDP by 2030. Gen AI could contribute $359 to $438 billion to India's GDP in 2029 to 30 alone. 69% of Gen AI's impact on GDP expected from sectors like business services, finance, education, retail and healthcare. 75% of Indian businesses express low to moderate readiness for Gen AI adoption. Challenges include a skills gap, 52% unclear use cases, 42%, and data privacy concerns, 36%. Impact varies by sector based on feasibility, adoption rates, and industry contribution to India's economy. Microsoft releases Phi 2, a small language model with 2.7 billion parameters. Phi 2 exhibits common sense, language understanding, and logical reasoning. Outperforms larger models 25 times its size on a specific task. Trained using textbook quality data including synthetic datasets, journal knowledge, and daily activities. Available via Azure AI Studio Model Catalog, offering a cost-effective alternative to GPT-4 transformer-based model with maxed word prediction objective. Runway ML launches Motion Brush, an AI tool transforming objects into realistic animations. Motion Brush utilizes Gen 2 models, creating videos based on text input. Users direct movements with a simple brush stroke in a unique interface. Runway ML enables content creation from text, images, or video clips. Pricing plans start at Rs. 996 per month in India, offering standard and pro versions. Unlimited version available for Rs. 6,311 per month, revolutionizing content creation. Apple set to unveil a redesigned Apple Watch in 2024, focusing on health tracking. Features include hypertension and sleep apnea tracking, alerting users for further treatment. Redesigned Apple Watch expected to boost focus on the wearable category in 2024. Minimal upgrades in the current Apple Watch lineup, including Series 9 and Ultra 2. Anticipated launch of new AirPods 4 with ANC variants alongside the redesigned Apple Watch reinforces Apple's commitment to health-related features and advancements. Next up we have UK considers additional measures to protect teenagers from social media risk. Online Safety Act, in effect since October, requires platforms to enhance controls around illegal content. Platforms like Instagram and YouTube may face potential bans for users under 16. Government studying a crackdown on social media access for children, balancing freedom and parental control. Platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Snapchat currently require users to be at least 13. The move aligns with the government's effort to balance internet freedoms and minor protection. At last, WhatsApp tests automatic album creation for channels in the latest Android beta. Feature organizes multiple images and videos into a single album for easy access, similar to personal chats or groups, enhancing channel member experience. Expected to be included in a public release, streamlining media sharing in channels. WhatsApp also tests a new reply bar for status updates, allowing users to interact with shared updates. Enhancements contribute to a more interactive and user-friendly WhatsApp experience. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।